Omudumizi w'enkambi ya kabiri Infantry Division Major General Paul Muhanguzi niwe yabari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro ogu kandi abahumura baba bari ahidara rya private okuhika ahidara rya warrant officer class 1.
Ugandans out there are very proud of you. The peace we are enjoying, the Ugandans are enjoying. It's part of your effort, contribution. These people you see here, they participated in different operations, more especially in infantry units.
Major General Paul Muhanguzi yakoresa akiraka okusima abantu abogomeza muntu bahagira UPDF kandi yashaba abahumura okoragana je n'abantu baburijo.
Now here you are leaving the active force, active service to join reserve force. You are tiring, but you are not yet tired. You are going to join different production forces out there.
Bagumize mine mcibirungu bagumize mu bahereza ihanga ryabo no barabahumura tubahumura nako bashimiye background ya training so bazo mu communities bashimiye kugenda neje mce ibeje yo muri PDF.
And the book is about telling the story of the birth of the National Resistance Army and how that small army grew and how it became a special force.
Twagambaho n'abahumura ababashagatirwe abanyamukago babo nekiborekerire gukora bwanyuma yo kuhumura.
Ine famu yanje yentanyine mu t-shirt namara na imyaka 3 then nyine mpunuka mukaga ntura nazo izizara zamara kuzara ninguza ho zimwe ezindi zisigaze
kuri demaje ira mbera izaba civilians badensa bakibali ningenda nimbera nimbala bako rewa keyo nyina yechuma chaka soli ne mulunzi wenkoko jamu amaji ndundako nenkoko ezo ira kakati sawa zino ekyama kisazeewo ende waka
Zakalo kama katonda mwami wange yasoka kugenda ko ne Somalia naddaga era mulamu era mwebaliza tebamu kubako wadde sasi ne sawa nakyali mulamu era nebaliza katonda n'abantu fenna be twaselebrations olwaleero.
Gasha kwa Abdul Kalim Sengendo.